Welcome to Mini Toy Breaks. This episode we're gonna break a 12-pack of Trash Pack Series 5 Sewer Trash. There's 2 special Frozen Edition trashies in here, and there's a cheese, there's a sandwich, and they all come in toilets. How about that? These are 12 trashies in toilets. I could not resist being an expert in toys that come out of the toilet. So let's get in there. Hoping to pull out a limited edition Poop Plop or Poo Plumbing or a Flush Phone or a Gunk Gator or a Spewer Rat. Who wouldn't want one of those? So let's hope we're gonna pull one out. So let's get started. What is going to be in all my toilets? Here's my cheese. Here is my big toilet. What we got here? Any limited editions? I don't know what this is. Let's get this out. Is that a computer somebody flushed down the drain? I don't know. There we go. Looks like a laptop of some sort. What's this one? Some sort of unicorn horse bug thing? Creature with a mohawk? It's pretty awesome. We got here some sort of vegetable. There we go, that's better. Sky, don't know what that is. He's not limited edition though. What is this? More bugs. It looks like a frog. Yeah, there we go. Sort of glowing frog with McDonald's fries on his head. What else have we got here? No limited editions in here, I don't think. But we do have this dude here. It is a half-eaten donut. That's pretty cool. I was kind of hoping to get him. And the moose. Maybe you get the moose and the donut in every package. That's why they're on the front of it. And what is this? Holy cow, this is gonna be a long video. Yeah, look at that. Some sort of weird cockroach thing. And then focus there, yeah. It's all pretty gross, it's all pretty awesome. Now let's get on with 4 little toilets. Whoa. They flew halfway across the room there. Hopefully that's a good sign. Mini toilet number 1. Oh, it's one of the Frozen trashies. It's this thing. What is that? I don't know. Let's check the back. Is that a turd turtle? No, it's a chilled chicken. Chilled chicken? No, that looks more like a frosty fish to me. Mini toilet number 2. Well, whatever that thing is. I've got one. And our last toilet has in it a limited edition. No. It's the Frozen one. It's the second Frozen one. And its name is, once I can find the card again, its name is Frozen Fly. It's him right there. So there you have it. 12 trashies, all in toilets. Right straight from the sewer onto our mini toy breaks videos. Sewers and mini toy break videos have a lot more in common than you would think. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.